You've just tuned into a 5-minute core burner. We're your coaches Michael and Lee from Forever Aesthetic.
Let's not waste any time and let's get right into it.
We're gonna get started in 5 seconds. The first move is boat hold.
Here you want to engage your core, squeeze belly button to back, and stay tight. This was really a burner.
Oh yeah, I'm already feeling the burn.
15 seconds. You got it. Hold strong. 10 seconds. There's our warning.
Keep his legs nice and high.
5 seconds. Then we're going for plank pulses. Get
All
right
right,
into
switch.
it.
So here you're gonna make sure you're engaging the core as you lift your hips up and down. Make sure to stay as long as possible.
Keep squeezing belly button to back.
You got about
Almost
5
there.
seconds.
Keep going. Russian twists.
Here we go. Let's keep it up.
Feet on the floor. Side to side. This one's really a burner.
Definitely want to keep your chest up here as you lean back and work your way side to side. You want to squeeze over as much as you can to each side here. 5
Keep
seconds.
breathing. Scissor kicks.
Top right. Oops, sorry. Here we go. Burn is real on this one. Keep
it
that
up.
core tight. You got it.
Almost there. Squeeze those inner thighs. Crunches.
Right. Stay around here.
Make sure to breathe out as you come up.
You're gonna want to squeeze on the way up and on the way down. Come down with control.
Almost there. Go for round 2 soon.
Round 2, really gonna burn. All right.
Very good. Okay. Oh, low pose.
Yeah, round 2 right away.
Trying to get readjusted.
Woo!
20 seconds.
We're ready to hit our upper body workout today, so this is an extra burner. Feeling awesome. Holy.
Keep those legs straight.
Woo!
Bring them up, Michael. No cheating.
All right.
Bring them up, Michael. Good. 5 seconds.
Oh man.
Whew.
Where are we at right now?
Plank pulse.
All right. Just keep it up.
Keep breathing. Doing great.
By now you should be feeling that burn. You gotta fight through it. We don't stop when we're tired, we stop when we're done. 8 seconds.
Keep it up. Russian twist.
Back again. Okay, let's lean back right here. Let's keep it up.
Knees together. Squeeze that core. You good?
Oh, my stomach's cramping.
Let's go. Let's go. It's not gonna be an easy one. Woo. 10 seconds, Michael. Push. 5 seconds to go.
Fight the burn.
3, 2, 1. Scissors.
Woo! Just gonna slide down. Right over here. Keep it up. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Almost there.
Woo-wee! Ab crunches?
Yep. Crunches. Right up. Very last move. Keep going. Push through that curve.
Let's got this. Let's go all the way. If your stomach cramping like mine, just keep it going. Keep it going. Woo! Core workout complete.
Good job, guys. I hope you enjoyed that core circuit.
For more workouts like these, smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. We'll see you guys in the next video.